All right, guess what I just got? This is the coolest thing ever. Check it out. Hey, this is RV skirting that one person can do. I don't need help. It's easy, it's light. I mean, it's not that light. It's not gonna blow away on you, but it's RV skirting. Why would you need RV skirting? Well, if you have squirrels, mice, pests, and you just don't want them getting underneath your RV, obviously it's gonna help to winterize it, but it's a full year-round thing. You know, obviously it's gonna help those cool drafts that go under your trailer, that cool your temperature down quite a bit. And so you don't need to run heaters or anything like that as often, right? It's gonna make it more efficient. But beyond that, I'm installing it actually in a non-winter month. And so I want it because it's gonna help with the dog, because the dog runs under our trailer all the time, gets himself caught up on his leash, and I'm constantly having to go out there and unhook him. So that's just like a headache that's gone. It's gonna actually keep the squirrels out. So I don't have to worry about squirrels or mice getting in there chewing the wires up or anything like that. But most importantly, it's just gonna keep it efficient and keep me from having to get outside and untangle the dog. I'm like, there's gotta be a better solution. So we got some RV skirting, and with this, we actually have a little tiny lock right here. So once you wrap it around, you can lock it up. It also comes with a little tiny combination lock on there. Now, I'm not worried about somebody stealing it, but I think this is just to keep it secure from the wind. Yeah. Now, I'm not worried about anybody stealing this. In fact, they could just clip it if they wanted to, but it's really just probably to keep it secure, keep it in one spot. So it comes with that. It also comes with these gloves, and I think that's about it. So we're just gonna put this reflective side down. We're gonna wrap this around our trailer, and we're gonna see if one person can get the job done here. I think what I'm gonna do here is start this wire that they gave me. I'm gonna probably just run it really quickly through these eyelets, and then just attach it to this ladder right here. And the reason why I'm doing that is because then it'll hold it in place. All right, so the lock that they give you right here, the code to default is at 000, so just thought I'd give you a heads up on that. And I think I'm just gonna kind of loop this around and lock it right here. Not necessarily, I'm not trying to secure it right here. I'm just trying to get it so that when I pull it tight, as I'm wrapping it around, it has something to anchor to. So that'll probably be good, just like that. In fact, I'm probably not gonna use the lock right now. Just tie this. Use it as string, just to tie it really quick. And maybe I will need to use the lock. All right, now the rest of the job is fairly simple. You just roll it out. Just gonna keep pulling tight. So I can see why they gave you gloves right here. These little things, they're made of metal and they'll poke on you. So just not careful, you can get stuck by one. So I'm gonna put the gloves back on. It just was hard to grip them when I first started getting it rolled out. Seemed to have found that just throwing it on the ground and kicking it and rolling it seems to work a lot better. And then you come back, once you're done rolling it, you just come back and pull it tight. And the cool thing is that on the inside, it's all like Velcro material. And so coming around again, it should stick to itself. Just pull it tight right here. All right, and just like that, easy peasy. The only trick I would say is that put it on the ground, roll it, kick it out. And to roll it is a lot easier to maneuver it once it's laid out than when it was in roll form. But you can see right here, it just kind of covers the ground right here. It goes all the way to the ground and up to the trailer right here. It's made of really, really durable material. It's not gonna fray in the wind. I think there's still fibers in here and it's gonna do the job for sure. Personally, I'm probably gonna put some ratchet straps on here just because I like a tight fit, but it's not going anywhere right here. I just wanna make sure that, you know, if I leave it in storage, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna be a tight fit. But like I said, this is gonna be a great storage solution for you when you're not running the RV, or if you're gonna put it in the same spot for a long time, you can make it like a destination trailer, or if you're just gonna sit in storage for winterizing or anything like that, this RV skirt is gonna get the job done for sure.